This is a certified pre-owned 2011 GMC Acadia. All of the following features are included: the preferred equipment package, keyless ignition, alloy wheels, side impact airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, traction control, a suspension package, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. A GM certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.